Welcome back to the channel. Now, before we start, I want to make it clear. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just me, sharing some of my thoughts on the market. Today, we're diving into the top 5 stocks I think you should consider adding to your portfolio in 2025. Remember, the market is always changing, and past performance is not indicative of future results. But I think these companies have incredible potential for long-term growth. We'll be taking a look at their financials, their competitive advantages, and what I think the future holds for them. Stay tuned because we're about to break down some serious investment opportunities. First up, we have Tesla. Now, you might be rolling your eyes thinking Tesla? Again, but hear me out. Tesla is much more than just an electric car company. They're a tech company, an energy company, and they're leading the charge in autonomous driving. Their production numbers are through the roof, their battery technology is years ahead of the competition, and with the Cybertruck and the Semi on the horizon, their product lineup is only getting stronger. Plus, don't forget about their solar roof tiles and their energy storage solutions. Those are game changers in the renewable energy space. Look, I know Tesla's stock can be volatile, but you can't deny their long-term potential. They're disrupting multiple industries at once, and I think they're just getting started. Next up, we have the undisputed king of e-commerce, Amazon. Love them or hate them, you can't deny their dominance. They've completely revolutionized the way we shop, and they're showing no signs of slowing down. But Amazon is more than just an online store. Their cloud computing platform, Amazon Web Services, is an absolute behemoth, powering countless businesses around the world. With their massive infrastructure, their relentless focus on customer experience, and their constant innovation, Amazon is a force to be reckoned with. They're constantly expanding into new markets, from grocery delivery to healthcare, and with their Prime membership program locking in millions of loyal customers, I think Amazon's growth story is far from over. Now let's talk about Apple. They're the epitome of a cash cow company, consistently churning out profits year after year. I mean, everyone and their grandma seems to have an iPhone these days, and their ecosystem of products and services is incredibly sticky. But Apple isn't just about iPhones anymore. Their services business, which includes things like the App Store, Apple Music, and Apple Pay, is growing like crazy. Plus, they're rumored to be working on some really exciting new products like AR glasses and maybe even an Apple Car down the line. Apple knows how to create products that people love, and with their massive cash reserves and their commitment to innovation, I think they're well positioned for continued success. Next up, we have another tech giant, Microsoft. They've completely reinvented themselves under Satya Nadella's leadership, shifting their focus to cloud computing with Azure, and it's paying off big time. Azure is giving Amazon Web Services a run for its money, and with their dominance in enterprise software like Windows and Office, Microsoft has a huge built-in customer base for their cloud offerings. Plus, they're making big moves in gaming with Xbox and their acquisition of Activision Blizzard. Microsoft is a true tech powerhouse with a diversified business model and a strong track record of innovation. They're a solid bet for long-term growth, in my opinion. Last but not least, we have Alphabet, the parent company of Google. They dominate the search engine market, with Google being the go-to for pretty much everyone on the planet. And let's not forget about YouTube, which is practically its own internet at this point. Their advertising business is an absolute money-printing machine, generating billions of dollars in revenue every quarter. But Alphabet is also investing heavily in other areas like artificial intelligence, self-driving cars with Waymo, and healthcare technologies. With their vast resources, their talented workforce, and their history of innovation, I think Alphabet is well positioned to capitalize on the growth of the digital economy for years to come. That's it for today's video. These are just 5 stocks that I think have huge potential in the coming years. But remember, this is just my opinion, and you should always do your own research before investing in anything. Make sure you're diversifying your portfolio, investing for the long term, and only investing what you can afford to lose. The market can be unpredictable, but with the right mindset and a solid strategy, you can set yourself up for success. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Happy investing!